Hi traders, welcome to Traders Wealth Group. This is Sharma here. Today I would like to show you my trend change alert system again. It's an everyday successful story. So today I would like to show you what happened. At the same time, I'll also show you my Gamma Blast system, that a dashboard that lets us know whether the Nifty is good to trade or Bank Nifty is good to trade or Sensex is good to trade. As of now, I'll show you Sensex as it is an expiry day today. So the same can be used on non-expiry days also. It is not like that. We can use this same on the non-expiry days. This is called Sensex Blast dashboard, and here you can get access to my dashboard, and this will give you in advance, and it will let you know the which strike price is good to buy. Everything is shown here very clearly. Let me go and show you that. So this is a trade plan. It also gives you a trade plan and gets updated immediately minute to minute. And so this is Nifty. The left part is Nifty. The right part is Sensex. Now let me finish this in a shorter time frame, so that you will understand and you will show interest in this video. I request you all to watch this video till the end. I'll explain you this. Okay. Now, first of all, we have to go here, and let me show you what happened here. Okay. This is Nifty, and these are the two indicators that I use. For example, one is my GAN levels and Fibonacci. I'm just hiding them and showing it how it really happens. Okay, this is our trend change alert system. This is a trend change alert system. Alerts come like this, and these alerts are received in the Telegram group called Traders Wealth Trend Change Alert System. I have written a code in Chartink, and that I can connected my Chartink to this group, and this channel you can join, and this is a monthly subscription. You will get alerts, and to find out when market is going to take a uh, turn, like trend changes. Okay, for example, today at 9:33 we got a message saying that Nifty, Bank Nifty trend change alerts, Nifty is going to take a turn. By that time, we have to do is that we have to check whether the whenever you receive an alert, at that point of time Nifty must have been trading at high or low. For example, today we got at 9:33, so we got at high. So this is the day high at that point of time by 9:33. For 9:30 until 9:33, there was no higher candle. So this is 9:33 alert. So we have marked this candle, and we have to mark in 1 minute time frame candle, or else we can also mark in note the price 24,282. So here I have marked the candles high and low with yellow colors. You can see this is the zone that forms. Okay, you can take in 5, then change you 5 minutes or 15 minutes, or whichever time frame is your comfortable. So I have changed it to 3 minutes, and now I can to show you that here this is the candle, and from there market started falling. And why I have given two lines here? They're nothing but of this is my indicator, Fibonacci indicator, automatically framed on that. And I in the live session I told very clearly market would fall from this to this point, and here from here it would take a bullish turn because there is Fibonacci retracement will happen here. Very clearly I told them. So this is I have uploaded that YouTube video also, so that live recording also. Okay, from here it went up to this. I told very clearly this will go up to this point and it will come down again. So the same thing happened because it went up, tested this zone, tested again, tested this, went into this and came down. But suddenly market went up, but this, so that was bullish. So again, going back to my sheet, I'll show you whether the market is bullish or bearish. It will let you know. So market has been bullish, positive bias. I told them it is very strong. So while talking to them at about 9, after 9:30, it became bearish again after 9:30. After these candles reached up, that's this changed to bullish. So as it was strong bullish. So then I told them my Fibonacci retracement will help you like anything. So okay, now it went up and went up. See, again we got another alert at about 9:34. You can see the message and time. See, this is 9:34. Okay, I have not created this screenshot. I just took the copy pasted here. These are the alerts that we got. You can see here we got the alert. This is the alert that we got at 12:34. The moment you got an alert, the advantage of this alert system is that suppose if you have taken a call option here, 24,200. Let us take that one call option here. So 24,200. Okay, or 24,300, whichever you feel comfortable, you can use that. Okay, let me take Nifty 24,300 call option. Okay, just I am adding this again. So this is our now you can see, suppose after seeing this Nifty, if you have taken this from here, from this time like 10:30, at about 10:30 you have taken an entry here, or you followed my indicator and you took a round here. Once the green candle is formed, your entry is 94, or else you have taken this, say assume that you have taken this. The advantage of this is that 9:30 10 by 10:30 it crossed the, so this is the one. From then 73 to it went up to 138. So this is how the movement is there. Okay, around 63 points we got, 63 to 65 points you got them. Why? Because by the time you got another message, that is 12:34, you should exit immediately. So let us see, this is 12:34, we got it, so we should exit somewhere in this or in this. Let me take in 5 minutes time frame. You can exit here or here or here, somewhere in this candle. So then you will book a very beautiful profits. And similarly, Sensex Gamma dashboard. This is the Gamma dashboard and Sensex Gamma dashboard. I have written beautifully, and this show you what is happening in the Nifty, whether to execute or whether to not to trade, whether to trade. Everything it comes now. See, for example, now market is falling now. Though the market is bullish, it is asking us not to trade, no trade. Now it is no trade. Again, 2:30 it might turn into bullish or bearish, and it will let you know which institutional flow, what is there in which strike price it is there. You can see that I'll enlarge this for your convenience. I'll show you 77,700. The conviction gamma score, this means conviction. Conviction is high, then you can go for this. 24,300 call option, conviction is high, you can go for this. Is the blast happened. So this way you can also use this. If at all if you want access to this, please contact me at my number 949-234-0656 is my number. And you can also you can also use my indicators. For example, this is my GAN indicator. You can see GAN indicators automatically plots, and you can see after that it went up. So there are so many things that you can learn from me, and we can discuss and we can trade very comfortably. And my use my strategy, alert system or sheet or whatever you want, you can contact me. My number is 949. I'm just typing it here, 949-234-0656. So this is my number. Okay. Thank you. Thanks for watching this video till the end, and please share this video with your friends and other traders, so that it would be useful. Many traders come together in buyers come together in one place, then no in one strike price, then that strike price will become, no, volume will increase and that will move well. See, now also you can see this is the zone that we got. So as soon as it came into this zone, again there was a green candle forming. So it is now 1 o'clock, 1 o'clock, and you can see how again exactly from here it is moving up. So this is how my strategy works. So thank you. Thanks for watching this video. Please click the like button and share with your friends. Thank you.